In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the network discovery and file sharing are turned off error message. So if you're seeing this error message either at the top of the window like this, or it may pop up with an error message on your screen, then there's actually a couple of easy things we can do to go and solve this issue. Now, the first step is just to head over to the Start menu on your computer, search for Control Panel, and then click on the Control Panel window. In the top right hand side, make sure you have View By set to large icons, and then click on the Network and Sharing Center. In the left hand side, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings, and then click on the drop down next to Private Networks. Now, first thing, you want to make sure Network Discovery is turned on and enabled, and also make sure Set Up Network Connected Devices is also turned on. Then scroll down to Public Networks, and we're going to do the same thing here as well. Make sure Network Discovery is turned on. Then click on the drop down next to All Networks, and also make sure Password Protected Sharing is turned off and disabled. And once you've done all of these steps, you can close out of this window. And now if I come back over to the network folder on my computer, you can see now that all of my different devices are showing up in this network. Now, you will find that file sharing is still turned off. So if you want to enable this feature as well, you can click on the change button at the top and click on Turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing, and just click on the Yes, Turn on Network Discovery option. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.